3 drinks. Today we're making the London Dry, the Clover Club, and the Blue Sapphire Sour. 3 gin sours that prove simple ingredients can produce something extraordinary. We start with the London Dry, the cocktail that taught the world how a gin sour should taste. Into the tin, 60 milliliters of a classic London Dry gin. Piney, crisp, full of juniper. 30 of fresh lemon juice. Always fresh, never bottled. And 30 of simple syrup. That balance of botanical, sharp, and sweet is exactly what you're chasing here. Now the ingredient that separates a gin sour from just a gin lemonade, 1 fresh egg white. This is where the magic starts. No ice yet. The dry shake emulsifies that egg white, breaking it down into a lush, airy foam before cold ever touches it. Now the ice goes in. Shake again, hard and fast. You're chilling this down, diluting it just right, and locking in that foam. Double strain it into a chilled coupe and watch that foam crown build. Express a lemon peel over the top, 1 confident twist, and let those oils settle on the surface. The London Dry. Clean, classic, and flawlessly balanced. The Clover Club. A pre-prohibition classic that's just as good now as it was 100 years ago. Same 60 milliliters of gin. But here's the twist. 15 milliliters of raspberry syrup joins 30 of simple syrup and 30 of fresh lemon. Watch that color. Deep, jewel-like crimson. This is what a berry-forward sour looks like before it even hits the shaker. Egg white in. And don't underestimate what this does to the color. That pink is about to become something genuinely stunning. Dry shake first, same as before. No shortcuts. That foam won't build itself. Ice in, seal it up, and shake like you mean it. Cold, loud, and a little bit aggressive. Exactly the energy this drink deserves. Strain it slowly, and look at that. A rosy, cloud-topped coupe that almost looks too good to drink. 100 years old and still one of the most beautiful cocktails you'll ever put in a glass. The Blue Sapphire Sour. This one plays by slightly different rules. 60 milliliters of gin, 30 of fresh lemon juice, but instead of simple syrup, we're pouring in 30 milliliters of blue curacao. That's it. Because the curacao is pulling double duty. It's your sweetener and your color in a single ingredient. It's electric and it's earned. In goes the egg white. And now you've got the most visually striking tin we've built today. Blue liquid, white proteins, the shaker waiting to bring it all together. Dry shake. And when you open this tin, you'll see the most surreal contrast. Brilliant blue with a crown of white foam already forming. Ice in. 1 final shake. Make it count. You've earned the right to be dramatic about this one. Double strain it, and there it is. The Blue Sapphire Sour. Deep cobalt blue beneath a cloud of white foam. This is the one that stops conversations. Finish it with a lemon and serve it with absolutely zero apology. 3 drinks. Same gin, same sour structure. Completely different personalities. Try all 3 back to back, and you'll understand exactly what this spirit is capable of. If you make any of these at home, drop it in the comments. Like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you at the next one. Cheers.